Hello coin enthusiasts, welcome back to UK Coin. If you're passionate about discovering the history, value, and hidden gems of UK coins, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 fascinating coins that have captured the interest of collectors worldwide: the 1979, 1993, and 1985-1975 UK Two New Pence Elizabeth coins. Let's uncover their stories, unique features, and market values. So, grab a cup of tea and let's explore. First up, the 1979 UK Two New Pence coin. This coin holds a special place in the decimal coinage era, which began in 1971. By 1979, the decimalization system was settling in, and coins like the Two New Pence became household staples. This coin features the second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machen. The obverse displays Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. On the reverse, we see the crowned Tudor rose designed by Christopher Ironside, an iconic symbol of this transitional period. The mintage of the 1979 coin was relatively high, making it common in circulation. However, in uncirculated or proof condition, it can fetch between P-sonnet and PS3. Rare errors, such as off-center strikes or misaligned dies, can increase its value significantly. Collectors appreciate this coin for its representation of the era's design evolution. While it's not a rare find, pristine examples are worth adding to any UK coin collection. Next, we have the 1993 Two New Pence coin, a coin that reflects a turning point in UK coinage terminology. By the early 1990s, the reverse of the coin had been updated to read 2W pence instead of new pence, marking the completion of the decimalization transition. The obverse features the third portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Raphael Maklouf. This design shows a more mature depiction of the Queen wearing the royal diadem. The reverse retains Christopher Ironside's Tudor rose design, but now includes the updated denomination text. The 1993 Two Pence had a relatively limited mintage for circulation, as the Royal Mint produced fewer coins due to lower public demand. Its value ranges from P-Zone to P-5 for uncirculated examples, while proof versions can command higher prices. Keep an eye out for errors like die cracks or miss strikes, as these can significantly boost the coin's market value. Collectors are particularly drawn to the 1993 coin for its transitional significance and its refined design elements. Next, let's explore the 1985 Two New Pence coin, a staple of the mid-1980s that reflects consistency in design and quality. In 1985, the UK saw stability in its coinage, with the Two New Pence coin remaining a familiar piece in everyday transactions. The obverse features the second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machen, showing the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. The reverse continues with the classic crowned Tudor rose and new pence denomination. The mintage for 1985 was moderate, making it relatively common in circulation. Pristine uncirculated coins are valued at around P-Zone to PS3, while proof sets containing this coin can fetch Sten or more. Known errors for this coin include weak strikes or slight doubling on the lettering, which are highly sought after by error collectors. This coin appeals to those who appreciate the enduring designs of the Machen era. Next, the 1975 Two New Pence coin is part of the UK's decimalization story, a major shift in the country's currency system. Decimalization officially began in 1971, when the UK replaced the old pound, shillings, and pence system with a simpler decimal-based system. Coins like the Two New Pence were introduced to help the public transition to this new era. This coin features the first portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machen, a design that appeared on all UK coins from 1968 to 1984. On the reverse, you'll find Christopher Ironside's classic design of the Prince of Wales feathers, accompanied by the motto Ic Dien, which translates to I serve. This design symbolizes the heir apparent to the British throne. Let's break down the key features of the 1975 Two New Pence coin. Material: the coin is made of bronze. Weight: approximately 7.12 grams. Diameter: 25.91 millimeters. Mintage: over 145 million coins were minted in 1975, making it a relatively common issue for the time. Did you know? Up until 1981, the inscription read New Pence. It wasn't until 1982 that it was changed to simply 2 pence. So, how much is the 1975 Two New Pence coin worth today? Because of its high mintage, this coin is typically worth its face value, 2 pence, if it's in circulated condition. However, uncirculated examples or coins with an original mint luster can fetch between P-cent to PS3 in the collector's market. Graded coins in near-perfect condition can sell for higher prices, especially if they're certified by reputable grading companies. If you're thinking of adding the 1975 Two New Pence coin to your collection, here are a few tips. Look for coins in the best possible condition, sharp details and minimal wear. Store your coins in a protective case to prevent tarnishing. Keep an eye out for rare errors such as misaligned dies or doubling, which could significantly increase the coin's value. And there you have it, the full story of the 1975 UK Two New Pence Elizabeth coin. It may not be the rarest coin in the world, but it's a fascinating piece of Britain's decimalization history and a must-have for any collector. So there you have it, the 1979, 1994, and 1985-1975 UK coin. For more coins, Elizabeth coins. Whether you're just starting your collection or you're a seasoned collector, these coins offer a fascinating glimpse into the evolution of UK coinage. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts, and subscribe to UK Coin for more captivating coin stories. Until next time, happy collecting!